Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing good. So friends, if you have not watched my yesterday's video, please do watch it. Why? Because yesterday I had mentioned that today the CPI data won't be good and I have a negative biasness towards Dow Jones. So just go and cross check my video that whether it has happened exactly like that or not. So let us see that what has happened in the CPI data. So the US annual inflation rate decreased from 6.5% in December to 6.4%. But what is the expectation? The expectation was 6.2%, but the rate that has come is 6.4%. So it has breached the expectation level, correct? Yesterday only I had told that there is a very high chance that the CPI data will be bad and it will breach the estimate, and it has exactly happened in that way. And I told that there is a very high possibility for Dow Jones to come on the downside with the level that I had mentioned yesterday was 34,400 to 34,500. So let us see what has happened in Dow Jones. So this is the daily chart. Clear? Let us go to 1 minute's time frame to understand or get more clarity that what exactly has happened, because this is in the live market. You can see the candles are changing, correct? So this is 7 p.m. Today. IST, correct? So over here, when the CPI data came, there was a sudden downside movement in one candle, and after that there was a surge. And see the level, to the extent it has gone, the quantum of rise with two candles, it exactly ended around this 34,500, the level that I had mentioned yesterday. And since then you see that the candles are coming on the downside. From here there was a sudden, there was this 34,000, this is a very important psychological level, so there was a kind of bounce back from here, and again from this 34,300 34,330 zone the price has started coming down, and it is still coming down. You can see it is still coming down. So the levels that we need to watch on the downside. So let us see the daily time frame for better clarity. So there is a kind of pennant in this daily time frame. Clear? So from this low of 20th December 2022, I have extended this line. So this low is basically 33,500. So 33,500 to 33,400 is very important zone for Dow Jones. And on the upside, as I had mentioned earlier also, that is 34,500 is a very crucial zone, because there is a confluence of two major resistance which I had explained you in my yesterday's video. Please do watch it. So I'm still bearish in Dow Jones, as I have already mentioned in my yesterday's video. So the next chart that I'd like to explain is this USD INR. So this USD INR, you can see that from this 23rd Jan there is one-sided rally, correct? And presently the candle is hovering around all-time high zone, that is 83.30, and I'm expecting this USD INR to go on the upside. That means it would get depreciated. The levels I am expecting is 85 in the near future. Please do track this USD INR minutely, and let me explain the logic behind it. I'm going to dollar index. So this is the daily chart of dollar index. Before delving deeper into the daily chart, let me explain you the monthly chart. So this monthly chart, I have also used Fibonacci tool. You can see I have extended this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, and this is the 0.5%. This is the 50% of this rally, that is around 101.5, 101.6, and mind it, this is monthly candle. So this particular candle is somewhat, you can say, is looking strong reversal kind of candle over here, and it exactly respected this 0.5% or 50%, you can say. So this daily chart, in this daily chart also you can see that today it has formed a somewhat hammer, this hammer, correct? So after three consecutive big bull candle, there was a few days of strong consolidation, and today it has again formed a hammer, and I am expecting that it would go upside from here. The levels one need to watch at first is 104.5, above which it should be this 107 to 108, which is very important zone. So please do track USD INR, because I am really very I have a very strong conviction in USD INR that in the near future it would get depreciated. So please do watch those levels. Thanks for watching my video. Please do share it with your near and dear ones, and don't forget to put your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.